Charming one-level updated turn-of-the-century home in the downtown Myrtle Point area. Small yard, vinyl siding and metal roof for easy maintenance. Updated kitchen and bathrooms with new paint and new easy care vinyl plank flooring west/new carpet in bedrooms. New pine living room ceiling adds to the charm of this corner location view. Laundry room and hot water heater with storage conveniently located in the enclosed porch/back door off of kitchen. New storage shed in backyard. Ready to move into.